Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on flash LED alerts for your iPhone SE 3. The flash LED alert is great when you want to put your iPhone on silent and the iPhone alerts you by a flash if you get a call or a text message. To enable this, go into Settings, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down again and tap on Audio and Visual. Now on this page, scroll all the way down and you will see this option, LED Flash for Alerts. Go ahead and enable this option. After enabling this option, you'll get the other option where you can enable it when it is in silent mode. Make sure this is enabled as well. Now when the iPhone screen is switched off and you get a call or a message, your iPhone will alert you by a LED flash at the back. And that is how to turn on flash LED alerts for your iPhone SE 3. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.